I'm going to show you in this tutorial how you can add Swagalicious to your shirt and pants with my pre-made iron-on HTV Rhinestone Effect SVG cutting file. This is my end design, but later in the video I will show you some other places you can place the design on your garments. For this project, I'm using gold holographic heat transfer vinyl and cutting my SVG design on a silhouette. Once your cutting machine finishes, weed out your design, which takes approximately 10 to 20 minutes, and I'd recommend using straight tweezers for this project. Here I'm showing you the rhinestone effect that I've weeded out. There's still more to do, but try to be very careful while you're weeding your design because you want to keep everything. While weeding around the all about, I did two different designs. If you can see that, the top one, take the bigger piece around the lettering, and on the second all about, go inside the lettering. And so you have two different effects. There's many places you can place these designs on your garments. Here I'm showing you at the bottom of your shirt. You could do the front or back. On the arms, you can actually go across your arm too, depending on the shirt, or if you have this different style shirt. Here on the pants, you can do it at the back as a tramp stamp, or you can do it on the bottom or the side, or even I'm just showing some inspirational ideas where you can place the design on your garments. In this video, I want to show you that you can use a regular iron to apply your design. It works just as good as a heat press. You just have to keep it on cotton settings, no steam. After you apply your first design on your garment, keep the clear transparent material and add other design from earlier weeding it so you'll be able to apply to your garment. The rest of the video I will be just repeating the steps until I complete the project. This SVG design is available in my Etsy shop, Rhinestone Dazzle, along with heat transfer vinyl, tweezers, rhinestones if you want. I thought this would be a great addition to a different technique with getting the rhinestone effect with only using heat transfer vinyl. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial video and that you learned you can do this yourself too with only one heat transfer vinyl sheet and one SVG cutting file.